Here we have the motion sensor alarm. Bought off eBay, £9.14. We'll be setting it up now, so I'll show you how it works. Right, I have taken out the packaging. I put the AA batteries in, it takes 4 of them. I put the rechargeable ones in, saves a bit of money. Right, the light will automatically come on. Set it there. Point the remote at it. Set it. We'll go 15 seconds to get out to the area, and then it should turn red. That should just turn red. As you can see, it's pretty loud. As you can see, that was very loud. It is a bracket which you can use to put on the wall. Be awesome to go to race meetings with. But I'm gonna actually see if it'll work out in the passageway. We shall set it by here. Which one move? On the window. Set. We wait. And we walk past. Okay, didn't work. Oh, yeah, it did. Works quite well. Cheers, guys.